Ever heard of PocketGuard and wondered if you can conquer your finances without sharing your bank verification number, BVN? You're not alone. This is a burning question for many, especially those concerned about data privacy. So, let's dive in and find out if PocketGuard can be your financial friend without revealing your BVN. For those unfamiliar, PocketGuard is a popular personal finance app that helps you track your spending, create budgets, and reach your financial goals. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket, offering insights and guidance to make smarter money decisions. But does this awesome tool require your BVN to work its magic? The good news is, yes. You can absolutely use PocketGuard without linking your bank account via your BVN. PocketGuard offers several ways to track your expenses. Manual entry, the most straightforward method. You simply manually input your transactions, every coffee, every grocery run, every online purchase. While it requires more effort, it gives you complete control over your data. Connect to other financial accounts. You can link your credit cards, debit cards, and even investment accounts from other institutions. This allows PocketGuard to automatically track transactions from these sources without needing your BVN. Use the on-device tracking feature. Some smartphones have built-in features that can track your spending. PocketGuard can often utilize this data to provide basic spending insights, although the accuracy may vary. Manual entry. Pros: maximum privacy, complete control over data. Cons: time-consuming, potential for human error. Connect to other accounts. Pros: automated tracking, more accurate data, provides a comprehensive overview of your finances. Cons: requires sharing some financial data with PocketGuard. On-device tracking. Pros: minimal data sharing, convenient. All transactions. Data privacy is paramount. Before connecting any accounts, always review PocketGuard's privacy policy carefully. Understand how they handle your data, what security measures they have in place, and how you can control data sharing. Remember, you have the right to choose how much financial information you share with any app. Offer tips for using PocketGuard effectively. Start small. Begin by tracking a few key spending categories to get comfortable with the app. Set realistic budgets. Don't set yourself up for failure with overly restrictive budgets. Utilize the app's features, explore the budgeting tools, savings goals, and expense reports to maximize your financial journey. Regularly review your spending. Make it a habit to check your spending patterns and make adjustments as needed. If you're still hesitant about sharing any financial data, consider exploring other personal finance apps with robust manual entry features. Many apps offer basic budgeting and tracking functionalities without requiring bank account connections. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.